Hi everyone, now I introduce two consonants ch and j, and the first consonant sound ch, and choose, choose, much, which, future, questions, question, catch, watch, kitchen. Which questions did you choose in the exam? The picture in the kitchen is a bio trick. The picture in the kitchen is a bio trick. Artist. And the next one consonant sound j. Jam, jacket, jeans, job, jet, general, age, large, fridge. Who's that wearing a large orange jacket? Who's that wearing a large orange jacket? There's some joy in the fridge. Languages are a bridge between people. Languages are a bridge between people. And
good, but